Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss part 2 of MCQ questions on prehistoric period and Indus Valley civilization. This video will be very helpful for your examination. So watch the video till end and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive the notification of every video. So without wasting the time, let's get started. Question number 31. Alamgirpur site of Indus Valley civilization is located in. So the correct answer is option B, Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 32. Great Bath, bronze dancing girl and seal of Pashupati Mahadev were found in. So correct answer is option C, Mohenjo-daro. Question number 33. The ruins of Mohenjo-daro and Harappa show that these were magnificent and well planned. Correct answer is option B, merchant cities. Question number 34. The longest inscription found on a Harappan seal consists of. Correct answer is option C, 26 signs. Question number 35. The animal motifs found on the cylindrical seals of the Indus region. Correct answer is option C, humped bull. Question number 36. The first astronomical observatory of the Harappan civilization was found at. Correct answer is option C, Dholavira, Gujarat. Question 37. Large quantities of ostrich eggshells were found during the Paleolithic period in India at. Correct answer is option C, Patna, Maharashtra. Question number 38. Iron Age is named for the adoption of iron material for tools and weapons because it mostly replaced. Correct answer is option A, bronze. Question number 39. In Lothal, the drains for the drainage system were made of. Correct answer is option B, burnt bricks. Question number 40. Port and dockyard, single citadel, rice husk, chess game were found in. So the correct answer is option D, Lothal. Question 41. Poetry was first traceable to. Correct answer is option C, Neolithic period. Question 42. The first and longest part of the Stone Age was. Correct answer is option D, Paleolithic period. Question number 43. Humans made stone tools in. Correct answer is option D, Paleolithic period. Question 44. The period between the Paleolithic and Neolithic periods of the Stone Age was. Option B, Mesolithic period. Question 45. Hand axes, choppers and cleavers were the tools of. Correct answer is option C, Paleolithic period. Question 46. New Stone Age is also known as. Correct answer is option B, Neolithic age. Question number 47. Weapons made of bones were found in. Correct answer is option B, Burjahom and Chirand. Question 48. Burjahom, Chirand and Mehergarh were the sites of. Correct answer is option C, Neolithic age. Question 49. Neolithic sites of Chirand situated in. Correct answer is option C, Bihar. Question number 50. Burjahom is located in. Correct answer is option B, Kashmir. Question 51. Dholavira is located in? Correct answer is option B, Gujarat. Question 52. Dholavira was discovered in 1968 by? Correct answer is option C, J.P. Joshi. Question number 53. The first astronomical observatory of the Harappan civilization was located in? Correct answer is option C, Dholavira. Question 54. Dholavira is situated on the banks of? Correct answer is option D, River Luni. Question 55. Water harvesting system, water reservoir, dams and embankments were found in? Correct answer is option C, Dholavira. Question 56. Underground drainage systems and systematic town planning were found in? Correct answer is option C, Indus Valley civilization. Question 57. Indus Valley civilization was a? Correct answer is option C, Bronze Age civilization. Question 58. Great bath used for rituals was found in? Correct answer is option C, Mohenjo-daro. Question 59. In India, the practice of erecting megaliths began? Correct answer is option C, 3000 years ago. Question 60. Nilaskal, Hanamsagar, Junapani, Hiribenakal are? Correct answer is option C, megalith sites.